Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video, I would like to share you a tutorial on how to double tap to wake or turn off the screen on Redmi Note 14 easily. Alright guys, so if you are still using the power button to turn the screen on or off, now I have another alternative to turn on the screen, that namely double tapping on the lock screen to turn the screen on or off. And that makes it easier for you because you don't need to press the power button anymore guys. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started to the tutorial. Okay, first now you can go to settings menu on your phone like this. And then now you can scroll down a little bit until you found the menu of lock screen. Alright, so yeah, here's the menu. Double tap to wake or turn off screen when device is locked. You can turn it on, and now you can try it. Okay, double tap. So yeah, you can double tap anymore to turn off. Alright guys, it's easy, right? And yeah, here's the tutorial, and thank you so much for watching guys. Bye bye.